Are you lonely of being alone? What if I tell you that being alone can make you happier? And it is the real happiness, because you're not seeking validation to others, just to make yourself happy. Makes sense, right? In a world where the spotlight often captures our every move, it's easy to forget that true greatness is forged in the shadows. It's in those quiet moments, when nobody is watching, that our character is truly tested and defined. Now we will explore the three profound impact of these unseen efforts and discover the power of perseverance and integrity in solitude. Part 1. Silent Forge Greatness. In the moments when nobody is watching, it's in these moments when the spotlight dims and the applause fades that our true character shines through. Think about it for a moment. When nobody is watching, what do? Do you continue to strive for excellence, or do you let your efforts wane? Do you uphold your values even when it's easier to compromise? These are the questions that define our integrity and shape our destiny. When nobody is watching, it's easy to cut corners, take shortcuts, and settle for mediocrity. But greatness isn't achieved in the spotlight. It's forged in the solitude of dedication and perseverance. It's in those quiet moments when the world isn't looking that our commitment to our goals and dreams is truly tested. Think of the countless hours of practice put in by athletes before dawn breaks, the painstaking revisions made by writers in the silence of night, and the tireless efforts of volunteers working behind the scenes to make a difference in their communities. These are the moments when nobody is watching, yet they are the moments that shape our success. But why do we do it? Why do we push ourselves when nobody is there to cheer us on? Because we know that true fulfillment comes not from external validation, but from the knowledge that we have given our best regardless of who's watching. In the quiet moments when nobody is watching, we have the chance to define ourselves. It's in these moments that our character is truly tested and revealed. Will we choose to act with integrity and honor, or will we succumb to the temptations of expediency and selfishness? When nobody is watching, it's easy to let our standards slip, to take the path of least resistance. But true greatness lies in the choices we make when no one else is around to witness them. It's in these moments of solitude that our inner strength is forged and our resilience is hardened. So let us embrace these moments when nobody is watching as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Let us remember that our actions in the shadows are just as important as those in the spotlight. Part 2. A Nameless Hero. Let us strive not for recognition or applause, but for the satisfaction of knowing that we have lived with purpose and integrity. As we journey forward, let us carry with us the profound truth that greatness isn't measured by the size of the audience, but by the depth of our commitment and the strength of our character. When nobody is watching, it's a test of our inner strength and resilience. It's a chance to prove to ourselves that our dedication is unwavering, our passion unyielding, and our commitment unbreakable. I urge you to cherish those moments when nobody is watching, for it is in those moments that we have the opportunity to discover who we truly are and what we are capable of achieving. So let us embrace the silence, let us embrace the solitude, and let us embrace the boundless potential that lies within each and every one of us. Think about the unsung heroes who quietly make the world a better place without seeking recognition. The teacher who stays late to help a struggling student grasp a concept. The parent who sacrifices their own needs for the well-being of their children. The friend who offers a shoulder to lean on without expecting anything in return. These acts of kindness and selflessness happen when nobody is watching, yet they ripple outwards, shaping the fabric of our society. It's in these moments of solitude that we find our true purpose and passion. When the world is silent and there are no eyes upon us, we are free to pursue our dreams with unbridled enthusiasm. We are free to explore our creativity, to push the boundaries of what is possible, and to unleash the full force of our potential. So let us not be discouraged by the absence of applause or recognition. Let us find solace in the knowledge that our efforts are not in vain, and that every step we take in pursuit of our goals brings us closer to our dreams. Part 3. Solitude is power. Think about the times when you faced hardship alone, when there was no one to offer support or encouragement. It's in those moments that you discover the depth of your own courage and determination. It's in those moments that you realize just how much you are capable of achieving, even when the odds are stacked against you. So let us not fear the silence or the solitude. Let us embrace it as an opportunity to connect with our innermost selves, to tap into our limitless potential, and to chart a course towards a brighter future. Let us remember that even when nobody is watching, our actions have the power to inspire and uplift others. You never know who might be silently observing your journey, drawing strength and inspiration from your example. So let us strive to be the best possible version of ourselves, not for the applause or the recognition, but for the simple satisfaction of knowing that we have lived with purpose and passion. And remember that even when nobody is watching, the universe is always taking note. Every act of kindness, every moment of courage, every instance of perseverance sends ripples of positive energy out into the world, shaping the course of our lives and the lives of those around us. Embrace these moments when nobody is watching as opportunities for growth, for self-discovery, and for making a difference in the world. For it is in these moments that we truly shine, illuminating the darkness with the brilliance of our spirit and the power of our will. If this resonated with you and you seek more inspiration, wisdom, and motivation on your journey to greatness, subscribe now and join a community committed to excellence, even when nobody is watching. Let's walk this path together,